This motion sensor light doesn't just react to movement, it does so with a touch of innovation. Equipped with advanced sensors, it detects motion and responds by casting a powerful and energy-efficient light, ensuring that your path is illuminated when you need it most. Whether you're arriving home in the dark, navigating hallways, or enhancing the security of your outdoor spaces, Illuminate Motion Guardian becomes the guardian of your smart illumination, offering convenience in every step. It's not just a motion sensor light, it's a symphony of intelligent brightness. The Illuminate Motion Guardian's virtue is versatility. It doesn't just stay in one place, it moves to suit your various lighting requirements. You may alter the sensitivity, duration, and brightness thanks to the configurable settings, which guarantee that the light will perform as you like. Illuminate Motion Guardian is a multifunctional marvel that reimagines smart illumination, perfect for those seeking a soft nightlight or a brilliant route. It's more than just a motion sensor light, it's a cutting-edge way to customize your lighting environment. Operation is a breeze with Illuminate Motion Guardian. No need for complicated setups or intricate instructions. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily install and customize your motion sensor light with minimal effort. The energy-efficient LED technology ensures long-lasting illumination without the need for frequent bulb replacements. It's not just a motion sensor light, it's an easy upgrade to a world of smart lighting efficiency. But what about durability? Illuminate Motion Guardian doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying weather conditions. The advanced sensor technology maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your motion sensor light remains a reliable guardian for the long run. It's not just a motion sensor light, it's a durable investment in the safety and convenience of your living space. Now, let's talk about the experience. Illuminate Motion Guardian isn't just a lighting fixture, it's a sensory delight. The seamless activation of light, the intelligent response to your movements, and the overall enhancement of your home security, it's a symphony of modern illumination. The experience isn't just about lighting up spaces, it's about turning your home into a harmonious blend of safety,